Hello and welcome back to MnDOT's video tutorials designed to guide you through the routing portion of the oversized overweight permitting system. We recommend you watch the previous videos before advancing to the next. In this video, I'll be using online maps for illustration. The maps I will be using are not part of the MnDOT permitting system. In this example, we'll review how to use proximity settings. Proximities are used to adjust and pinpoint locations, telling the system exactly where you would like to go. Proximity settings are state highways which are north of, south of, east of, or west of, depending on the highway. When selecting towns from lookup, the proximity setting vicinity of covers a vast area of the selected town, whereas selecting a junction pinpoints an exact location. The vicinity of proximity will identify nearby constraints which may not be on the portion of highway that you'll be using for your route. Using exact proximities can greatly reduce failures caused by nearby constraints. Now let's take a look at an example of how vicinity of causes issues with routing, then how to correct the issue by using exact proximities. In this next example, our route begins at the Minnesota-Wisconsin border on I-94 and ends at the vicinity of Minneapolis on I-35W. Looking at the map, we have identified our ending point is located in the northern half of the Minneapolis metro area. Let's start entering the route. Click in the Start Route box and use Lookup to select the state highway. Click on I-94 and click OK. Next, click on the Start Location box and look up the start location. Click on At Wisconsin and click OK. Now we're ready to add the ending point. Click in the Route End box. Use Lookup to select I-35W and click OK. Next, click on the Location box. Click Lookup, select Town, and click on Minneapolis. And now click OK. Now that we have our beginning and ending points entered, we're ready to analyze the route. Click the Generate button. In this example, we've received a passing route. However, the route does not take us to where we need to go. To fix the route, we need to tell the routing system the specific location instead of asking it to search a general area. To do this, we need to select a specific junction, which gives the system the exact location of where we want to go. Let's start by taking a look at the map to pinpoint our location. Looking at the map, we can see our destination is near the County Road E2 exit. We already know that we have to use I-35W to reach our destination, but since County Road E2 is not a state highway, we need to tell the system where County Road E2 is located. We do this by finding the next closest state highway junction and measuring the distance between them. In this case, we find we're about a half mile south of I-694. Now, let's go back to our route and make the adjustments. Use the Clear Row button to clear a single line, or use the Clear All button to remove an entire route. I will choose Clear All and start over from the beginning, and use exact proximities to correct our route. Begin by clicking in the Start Route box and use Lookup to select the state highway, which again in this example is I-94, and click OK. Next, click in the Start Location box, and now again use Lookup to select the starting location, which again in this example is Wisconsin. Select At Wisconsin and click OK. Next, click in the Route End box and click on Lookup to select the ending state highway, which in this example is I-35W. Now click OK. Then click in the End Location box and use Lookup to select the ending location, which in this example will be I-694. And now click OK. Next, click on the drop-down arrows in the Proximities box to select the appropriate direction, which in this example is south of. Then click in the Miles box and enter the distance your ending location is from the junction you've selected, which in this example is a half mile south of. Now click in the Generate button to get the results. Now we have the exact route we wanted that exits us at the junction of I-35W to get to our destination. Let's review what we just learned in this video segment. It's best to use exact junctions or proximities instead of using default setting vicinity of, which covers a vast area, including nearby constraints on state highways. The MnDOT online permitting system does not have a built-in map. Using maps can help pinpoint locations and measure distances between points. This ends our second routing example in this series. We encourage you to watch the next video series on entering return routes. Thank you for watching.